So in this video, I wanted to go over how to properly mask a window. The main objective is to use the least amount of material as well as time as possible. However, you don't want to lose out on quality.
Man, I got the hiccups.
I typically use 6-foot plastic and then I drape it down, I tack it down, and I like to use 2 strips of tape on all of the edges. This gives me peace of mind later when I'm spraying that the tape and plastic won't come loose. Once I've masked all my windows, I then move on to ceiling fans and light fixtures. As you can see here, I use strips of 12-inch paper to cover the ceiling fan blades. I then wrap the lights and also the ring that goes up to the ceiling of the patio. I've definitely done this kind of prep work once or twice. Always be sure to double check your work. A wise man once told me, cover what you do not want to clean. The last areas I like to mask off are all of the doorways and entryways. Most of the time my customers are living in the residence, so I don't want to trap them inside the house too long. As you can see, when masking off sliding doors, I like to run the plastic vertically, and then I overlap them on top of each other, running strips of tape on all of the edges after I tack it down. This gives me double coverage. This way, regardless the pressure of my sprayer later, I don't have to worry about it blowing up the tape or the plastic off of the door frame.
It's covered.
All windows are different sizes. Some are long, some are wide. So here's a couple of windows of different sizes and the techniques I use to mask them off. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and be sure to like and follow. Leave any comments or questions. I'll try my best to get to each and every one of them. this next one.